In this tutorial, we will look at a brief introduction to what Contribute Cloud can do. All of the latest information can be found on the website contribute.cloud. From the website you have access to login into your account, or joining a session as well as checking out the software features too. Contribute Cloud integrates with Google Drive and Classroom as well as popular cloud storage drives such as OneDrive and Dropbox. Being cloud-based means that it is operating system agnostic. All you need is an internet connection and a browser to access the software. Contribute Cloud allows you to create lessons, share them with your students, collaborate together on a shared work area. It also allows you to create voting activities as well as make use of the 40+ learning games that we have included in the software. Not only that, Contribute Cloud has unlimited casting and multicasting capabilities, as well as collaboration directly from a student's device. Thanks for watching, see you on the next tutorial.